Hello guys, anyone's here? Hi. Hi guys. Can you hear me guys?
Miss?
Yes, we could hear you.
Okay, this is great. Would you please mute your microphone so that I can take the attendance, please?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. Abdullah, are you here? If you're here, raise your hand. Abdullah? Abdullah? No. Okay, Zain. Zain, are you here? Zain? No, okay. Ahmed Amr? Yes, thank you, Ahmed. Ahmed Atif?
Yes.
Okay. Adam? Thank you, Adam. Laura, is there a problem, dear?
No.
Okay. Muhammad Izzat? Abdullah's here. Abdullah, you came? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. I stopped at Muhammad Izzat. Muhammad Izzat, are you here? No, okay. Omar? Omar, not Ahmed Amr. Omar. Okay, Omar is not here. Ahmed Hani. Ahmed Hani. Okay. Karma Hazem. Yes, Karma. Iyad Hisham. Iyad, are you here? Okay. Ziad Husam, I saw you. Hamza Khalid.
Yes.
You're here, Hamza? Okay.
Yes.
Mustafa Khalid. Mustafa, are you?
Yes.
Okay. Huda Marwan.
Yes.
Okay. Mariam Muataz.
Yes.
Zain just joined us, right?
Yes.
Okay. Ruqayya. Ruqayya Muhammad. Yes. Okay. Layla Muhammad. Layla, are you here? Okay. Farida Nuruddin. Okay, Farida. Ahmad Sharif.
Yes.
Zain, please. Yes, close your video. Close your video. Ahmad Sharif is here. Okay. Ziad Tamer.
Yes.
Okay. And Jumana.
Yes.
And Laura. Laura. Yes. Okay, dear. Okay, guys, we're going to start. I need you, of course, to mute your mics, as we said, and I want you to turn off your videos. We're going to start by answering or correcting your homework. So let's do this together. So I'm going to allow the annotation just for you to start doing the homework with me or correcting the homework with me. So if you know how to use it, I want you to do it now. So yeah, Adam, yes, Adam, you can answer the first one, dear.
Miss, I want to ask a question. How can I make it? Because I don't know how.
The homework or this one? Yani now
How to
what?
color it how to color it now?
Okay, there is a pen mark or a pen, a picture of a pen next to participants. It says annotate. Did you see it?
No, I can't find it.
Okay, I had the same problem with the other class. So who can
There
see?
is nothing.
There is nothing. Okay, so we're not going to use.
Miss, I'm using.
I can see it.
You can see it. Okay,
Yes,
whoever.
and I did the homework in the book.
Miss, I
Okay.
saw.
This is very good. Okay, okay, guys, I need you to mute your mics. Now, if you know
Miss,
the
I can't find it.
okay, it's okay. Just if you know the answer, just raise your hand. If you can do the annotation, you're going to do it. If you can't, just tell me where it's going to be the shady part and I will do it, okay? Type. We will start now. So if you would like to answer, do it please. Yes, Zain, you can start with the first one. Zain?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So you can do it?
Yes, but I can't do it like all because it's too small. I can do it perfect, but I will
It's
do
okay.
the
I don't need it perfect. Yes, do the part. I just want to, yes. So it's going to be the part that is away from the sun, right?
yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Zain. Next one. The next one. You can mute your mic. Yes. Okay. Ziad Hussein. Yes, dear. This one. I want you to tell me which part of the earth will be in the darkness. Yes, so it's going to be the part which is far away from the sun. I'm going to draw it for you. So I want you to tell me if I'm doing it right or wrong. This part, right? Okay, thank you, Ziad. Next is Farida. You can do the next one, dear.
The part far away from the sun.
The part far away from the sun. So it's going to be this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Right. Let's do the next one. I'm going to take another girl. So Jomena, tell me.
This part.
This part. Thank you, Jomena. Jomena did it. Okay, thank you very much, Jomena. The next one, Hamza, I want you to do the next one. Very good, Hamza. Thank you very much. Next is, let's take Adam.
It will be the part above the upper part of the earth. Yeah, this one. This one.
Okay, very good. Thank you, very good, very good. Thank you very much, guys. We're going to continue with some classwork now because we are done with our lesson actually. So we're going to answer some of the pages in the book. So this is page 68, right? Or 67? Who has the book?
It's 68.
Me.
Okay.
I have the book.
Okay, you don't have to shout in my ear, okay? Mute your mics, please. Thank you. Okay, guys, so we're going to continue. I want you to open page 68. As we said, I'm just going to erase this mess that we did it. Here's the mess, all the mess. Okay. Okay, we're going to start with this worksheet, page 68. It says the pictures below, or the picture below, shows a model of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The question says, tick one box to show the shape of the Earth, Moon, and Sun in the space. Whoever knows, please raise your hand.
Miss, what page is it?
68, page 68. Ahmed Atif, you can answer the first one.
The sphere.
Sphere, very good. So the answer is sphere. Next is Ziad Tamer. I want you to answer the first one. Complete the sentences below by writing earth, moon, or sun. The what is a source of light?
The sun.
The sun. Thank you, Ziad. Next is who can answer the next one? Let's pick someone up, someone who didn't answer before. Huda.
The earth.
Yes, so the second question, or the answer for the second question is the earth, and the last one is the last one, Ahmed Amr. The what has an orbit of 28 days? Ahmed, are you saying something because we cannot hear you? Check your mic. Ahmed Amr. Okay, apparently something is wrong with the Yeah, we cannot hear you. There is something wrong with your mic. Okay, I need you to check it. طيب, we're going to take someone else. Ahmed Sharif, yes. Ahmed Sharif.
The moon.
The moon. Thank you very much. So the answer is the moon has an orbit of 28 days. The next one, the next page is page 69. The diagram below shows the model of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. On the diagram, shade in the part of the Earth where it is night. So we're going pretty much to do the same that we did in the homework. So I'm going to open the annotation again, and I want someone to answer this one. Hey. Who can do this? Ruqayya, yes, Ruqayya. Ruqayya? Yes, honey. Ruqayya, I can't hear you, dear. Yeah.
And
Yes, yes. Okay, I can hear you now. Which part?
it's the one to the moon.
Yes, it's the one looking or facing the moon. Thank you very much. So I'm going to do it for you. It's supposed to be this hemisphere or this part of the earth. I'm doing the right job. Right, Ruqayya?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you very much. Okay, the next one, Lara, I want you to answer the next one. Describe how the earth moves to cause day and night. Lara?
It orbits around the sun.
To cause what did Lara said wrong, guys? Lara said something wrong. You're lagging very much, Lara. Okay, you're lagging very much. I cannot hear you well. Okay, I want you guys to tell me what did Lara said say wrong. Hello, guys. Describe how the Earth moves to cause day and night. Lara said that it orbits around the sun. Is this right?
No.
Please raise your hand. Raise your hand.
No.
Raise your hand and mute your mics. Yes. Let's take who. Abdullah, can you tell me the answer? I know you didn't raise your hand, but I want you to try.
Okay.
Huh. She said that orbiting around the sun causes day and night.
No.
What causes day and night?
Earth moves around its axis.
Its axis. Very good. So the answer is that what causes day and night is the Earth rotating around its axis. Like, I'm going to ask you a question, guys. What is, considering the Earth movement, how can we differentiate, or what is the difference between the Earth rotating and the Earth revolving? When do we use the word rotating and when do we use the word revolving? Huh? When do we use the word rotating and when do we use the word revolving? Yes, Ziad. Ziad Tamer.
Yeah.
Huh?
Revolving when it goes from up to down, and rotating from right to left.
No. No. Ahmad Amr, yes, I hope you fixed your mic.
I think it means that the rotates means it's rotating around itself, and evolving means it's rotating around something else.
Around what? Yes, this is very good. But when it revolves around what? The Earth revolves around what?
The sun.
Very good. So we use the word rotating when we are talking about the Earth rotating around its own axis. But if we want to say that the Earth is going to make a circle or orbit the sun, we are going to use the word revolving. So Earth rotates around its own axis, but it revolves around the sun. Okay, I want you to pay extra attention for this part because it's a very tricky part. Okay, we're going to continue. This is page 74, guys. And by the way, I have a very nice, pleasant surprise for you. We're going to do the homework, page 72. I know you love to play, so I gave it to you guys. Page 72 is a word search game. So you can do it, and we're going to do it together on Wednesday, okay? So this is going to be your homework. Page 74, they are actually giving us some information about the planet Venus. And planet Venus is the second planet to the sun. And it looks very much like the Earth. It has the same size as the Earth. But someone in the other class made a comment, I think she read about it somewhere, that Venus, although Mercury is the closest to the sun, but Venus is the hottest among all of the planets. Not Mercury as some people assume. So do you have any information about this, guys? Does anyone know why Venus is the hottest planet, not Mercury?
No.
Because it has a lot of volcanoes.
Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand, please, and mute your mics. So, hey. Okay, if you know the answer or you have yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah.
Because it have a lot of volcanoes.
Because it has lots of volcanoes. Okay. Who else has any other information? Hey. Zain, I saw you raising your hand. Do you have anything that you want to add?
No, it just has a lot of volcanoes and it rains acid.
Okay.
And Abdullah copied me.
You said just part of the answer. He didn't copy you. He was raising his hand with you. Okay. Mute your mic. Anyone else has any extra information about this, guys? Yes, Ziad.
I'm gonna just search about it.
You're Googling it right now, huh?
Yeah.
It's actually written in front of you. You don't have to Google it.
Oh.
Okay, mute your mic. You all know, guys, that Earth has something called an atmosphere, which is the envelope that covers the Earth. And this envelope is made out of a mix of gas, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and etc. This atmosphere is what makes Earth perfect for living on. The thing is, Venus also has an atmosphere, which is an envelope that covers Venus, but it's not made of lots of gases. It's made of only one type of gas, and it's a toxic gas. It's carbon dioxide, the one that we exhale while we breathe. So how is this related to Venus being the one with the hottest temperature among all of the planets? The thing is, carbon dioxide is responsible, or it has a feature that it lets the sun heat to get inside the planet, and it traps it. It keeps the heat inside it. It does not allow it to get reflected back to the space. I think you will remember that we talked in the first trimester, I guess, we talked about something called the greenhouse effect. Who can remember the greenhouse effect? Hey, anyone remember the greenhouse effect? No one?
No.
Hey. Okay. The greenhouse effect is we said that because of the pollution in the earth, the carbon dioxide levels in earth became very high, and this made like an envelope around the earth, which allowed the heat of the sun to get inside the earth, but it trapped it inside the planet. It did not reflect it back to the space, and this causes the earth to be higher in temperature. This is exactly what happens to Venus, but in the case in Venus, that this is not the pollution, this is the actual case. Venus's atmosphere is completely made out of carbon dioxide. So this will make the sun heat get inside the earth, but it will not allow it to get back to the space. So this will make Venus the hottest planet among all of the other planets. Who doesn't understand? Anyone has a problem with this? No one? Perfect. So we're going to read this, and then there are some who doesn't understand.
Me.
Who's you?
Ahmad Sharif. Ahmad Sharif.
Ahmad Sharif. You don't understand what I just said? Hey, Ahmad. You don't understand what I just said?
Miss your
Okay. I'm going to try some. Yes, okay. I'm going to show you how. Do you see the whiteboard? Can you see me with the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay. So what happens is, if this is the planet, I'm sorry for the way I'm drawing. Of course, I'm drawing on my computer. And there is an atmosphere around all of the planets, okay? Can you see this? This is the planet, and there is an envelope, which is a mix of gases that is covering the planet. We are going to talk about Venus. If this is Venus, this is Venus. The atmosphere that is covering Venus is made out of carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay? So what happens is, when the sun heat gets inside, this is the sun heat radiations that gets inside the planet, okay? In normal cases, like if we're talking about Earth, it is supposed to be, this heat radiation supposed to be hitting the planet and then get back to the space again. But in case of that the carbon dioxide is the one covering the planet, it gets the heat trapped between the atmosphere and the planet. So it does not allow it to get out of the atmosphere, as you can see. It just keeps trapped. The heat stay trapped inside the planet, as you can see. So this will make the temperature of the planet very, very high. Hey, Ahmed, do you understand now? Ahmed Sharif? Ahmed? Ahmed Sharif? Okay, apparently he just went away. Do you guys see this? Huh? Please tell me anything. Abdullah, can you see this?
Yeah, miss.
Okay, do you
Yes.
understand? Do you understand the concept?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
very good.
Yes.
So I'm going to get back to the PowerPoint slide. Yes. Okay. So in 1610, Galileo, which is a very famous scientist, invented the telescope, which made it very easy for us to see distant objects like planets and stars and etc. This invention allowed humans to learn more about the stars and planets in space. Since then, humans have set foot on the moon and have landed robot cars on Mars. Humans have also sent probes into space for a closer look and more detailed look at what exists beyond our own planet. We know we now have much more information about our solar system than we had in 1610, and every day we strive to learn more. What to do? Imagine that you are a scientist who wants to learn more about Venus. On this page are facts. On this page are facts that you have collected about the planets. We're going to read some facts about Venus. Okay, guys? I want someone to read the first statement, please. Yes, Huda. Huda, do you have a question, honey?
No, miss, it just raised its hand on itself.
Okay. Can you
Miss, I
read?
have a question.
Who is this?
Farida.
Yes, Farida.
Like the atmosphere of Venus traps the heat inside, right?
Right.
So what if there's too much heat inside? Will Venus melt or?
No, it does not melt. No, it can withstand its own heat. But if someone tried to land on it, as we are going to read right now, it actually melts. So that's why the probes that the Earth sent to Venus, in order to explore it more, it does not last for a long time. So they just go there, they try as much as possible to record all the information the probe will collect, and then after that it just melts. Zain, you unmuted your mic. Is there something wrong?
No.
Okay, I want you to, yes, and close your video too. So I need you to read the first statement, Adam. Adam, read the first statement. Close the video, dear.
Venus is O.3 or 3/10 an astronomic unit, AU, from the Earth. One astronomic unit is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun.
Okay, so again, Venus is 0.03, 0.3, sorry. Yeah, okay. Venus is 0.3 or 3/10 of an astronomical unit, AU. The astronomical unit, guys, is the unit that NASA uses, or the people who is studying space, they use it in order to measure the distance between the Earth and the Sun, or the Earth or the planets and each other, the planets and the Sun, and so on. So this is the astronomical unit. So Venus is 0.3 or 3/10 of an astronomical unit, AU, from Earth. One astronomical unit is the average distance from Earth to the Sun. Okay. Thank you, Adam. Who will read the next statement? Mariam Mu'taz, I want you to read the next statement.
Venus is a rocky planet about the same size as Earth. Its gravity is 90% of that of Earth.
Venus, thank you, Mariam. Venus is a rocky planet. Farida, do you have a question, dear? Or do you want to read a statement?
No, I want to read the statement.
Okay, Ahmad, Amr, any one of you guys, whoever has a question, unmute yourself. Anyone has a question, or all of you want to answer or read the statement?
Miss, I have a question.
Who are you?
I'm Adam.
Yes, Adam.
Miss, they wrote here it's 90% gravity of the Earth. They mean some things will fly and some things will stay on Earth, on Venus?
No. I'm going to tell you when we get back to, when we reach this statement, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So Venus is a rocky planet about the size of Earth. Its gravity is 90% of that of Earth. I'm going to tell you right now, Adam. The thing is, it's not some of them will fly and some of them will stick. The thing is anything or any object that walks on Venus or moves on Venus will not be as much sticking to the planet as we are on Earth. So this means that the gravity is still high enough for things to be pulled to the planet, but not as we are, we're not going to be able to walk on it as we can do on Earth. It's going to be a little bit floating, just a little bit. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Who will read the next statement? Farida, you can read the next one.
A day on Venus is equal to 117 days on Earth.
Thank you. So one rotation of the planet around its own self takes 117 days on Earth. Can you imagine this? It revolves really, or rotates, sorry. It rotates really slowly. It's very, very slow that it takes it a day on Venus equals to 117 days on Earth. Guys, I'm sorry, I have to finish the lesson, or I have to just cut you from here. We're going to continue next time because we're running out of time. Anyone has a question quickly before I go?
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I just want to tell you that your homework, I'm going to upload it right now in Google Classroom. It's going to be page 72, the word search. There is also an optional activity, which is found in pages 76, 77, and 78. It's you're going to make your own solar system. On page 78, you will find the planets and the sun and stuff. You have to color it, cut it, and put it on stick it on a cardboard in the same arrangement of the solar system. So you're pretty much doing your own solar system. If you would like to do it, I'm going to make a link on Google Classroom for you to upload all the pictures of the activity if you did it. Okay?
Miss, I have a question.
Who has a question?
Me,
Who's you?
Adam.
Yes, Adam.
Shall we cut the planets on the page?
Yes.
But there is a page around it. We must answer some questions.
There is a page behind it. Okay, then don't cut it. You can just draw on it. Yani put a paper on it and start drawing it like you're replicating it. Okay.
Okay.
Huh, anyone else has a question?
Miss,
Yes,
I have a
yes.
question.
Who?
Laura,
Yes, Laura.
should we do it? Is it optional or?
Yes,
should we
it's
do it?
optional. It's not ungraded, dear. The homework, of course, is graded. The activity is ungraded. Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Who has a question?
Me.
Yes.
Farida,
Yes, Farida.
can I, my mother has an app like this. She sees the page and we can print
Yes,
it so
yes.
I can cut it.
Yes,
Can
you
I do that?
Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can do that.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, I have a question.
Who are
Miss.
you, dear?
Muhammad.
Yes, Hamza.
Miss, did you see my plant project?
Did I see your planned project? No, I'm going to check it now, dear. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. We're done. Ruqayya, do you have a question?
I have a question, Miss.
Who are you?
Muhammad.
Yes, Muhammad Izzat?
Yeah.
Yes, Muhammad.
When is the due date, or we
due
don't have
date-
to do it?
The homework, page 72,
The due
it's, yes, its due date is on Wednesday. The activity, it doesn't have a due date. It's optional. Okay? So you have a
Okay,
homework.
it's not an option.
You have
So
a
if we
home.
don't come,
You have a
if
homework
you don't,
and you have an activity. Your homework is not optional, definitely. The activity is optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you don't, it's okay.
okay.
Okay? Thank you, guys. See you next time, inshallah. Yeah.
Miss,
Bye-bye.
I can tell you what's happening in Earth because I'm in space.
Oh, I can see that, Zain.
Adam.
You can
Muhammad,
stay there.
Epic green screen. Epic.
Okay. I'm going to go now.
It's virtual.
See you next time,
I
okay?
went to London. I went to London because
It's virtual.
And this is
I am
this is
hungry.
not
I want candy.
okay. I have to cut you now, Zain. Yeah.
I am going to look at ants.